what do we have here, guys? It's a real 18 karat stainless steel Figaro high quality necklace for men. Alright. Just hope the pixel can catch that. I'll give it a second. Stainless steel up top. I don't know what the 316L means. I guess it's just their code. Here you have it. Alright, let me take it out of the thingy right here. Alright, one sec. Okay, here you guys have it. Let me try it on first. Bear with me here, guys. Alright, here you have it. It's 18 inches in length and 4 millimeters in thickness, which is just over an I believe it's just over an eighth of an inch. Alright, you guys have it. Not too long, not too short. Alright, and in this next couple days alone, guys, I have a lot more unboxings, so make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And what I'm talking about is this right here. Alright, see all that? If you guys want to see all that, subscribe and all that good stuff. Alright, and I will gladly get to you guys soon. Alright, take care.